Alright guys, so today I just picked up a GoPro 10 off of Facebook Market for 170 for this one. Brand new in the box. So I'm excited to step up my game. I picked it up through Facebook Market. Brand new GoPro 10. So we're gonna finish unbox it. And here it has some service manual. Got USB-C cable and how you operate the device, and it has a couple sticker here and how you would mount the adapter on your helmet. So it came with a USB-A to USB-C cable that you can charge or sync video to your computer, and the battery came with one battery, and here is the camera. So we're gonna remove the protective for the front LCD. And the protector for the camera lens. This is my first GoPro ever. The back LCD, power button right here, and the model of the GoPro. I'm not sure what this is yet, but you can pull this lever up and install your mounting bracket. So we're gonna move on to getting the battery in. So we just pull this down. We can insert a micro SD card in. And the USB-C port right here for charging. Now we can insert the battery. It's gonna go in this way. And pull it down. Okay. Now we can power on the camera. Low battery, of course, because I haven't charged it. Doesn't have enough battery. Okay, we're gonna move on to unboxing the accessory. I just starting off with this one from Walmart. Pick it up for like 25 bucks. So let me get my handy dandy knife here. More on the side. In here we got a nice carrying pouch. Alright, so we'll just unzip this. This is the hand extension monopod that has a 1/4 inch screw right here into the base. This can extend out pretty long, so that might be useful. And this is the handle for going underwater, which I don't plan to do that, and a couple extra lanyard here and the screw. So a couple 3M, it's not 3M double side tape, but a lanyard and a screw for this. Just put the screw in for now so it doesn't get lost. And this probably something that I'm gonna be using for the dash cam when I capture a couple of those quick shot driving on the car. So this probably attached to my dash windshield. So that's what I'm gonna use. Also might use the headband one. This is for the head. Looks pretty good quality. It has some like sticky part where it stay in place on your head when it touch your skin is more so it doesn't get too slippery. Looks pretty nice. Plastic looks pretty good. It's pretty hard. Alright, so this too I'm gonna be using. This probably not. I'll put in the back. Move on. This is gonna be my favorite thing when I go fishing. The head mount and the body mount here, the chest mount, gonna be my favorite to get that best capture. Looks pretty good. The plate is not as thick as I thought it would, but looks pretty good. Okay, moving on. This has a total of 22 pieces. So let's see what else we have in here. I believe this is the hand mount. You strap it in onto your hand or something, a pipe or something. This is the bracket for your bicycle. I'm not sure what this is. Probably a tool. I'm not sure, but I think that's gonna be useful right here for me to mount the GoPro onto my tripod. Another one. A couple of these clips. I'm not sure how durable they are. So there's 2 clips in here. Looks pretty good and solid. Couple of screw in here. Okay, I think this is pretty good. Probably not gonna need these. Not sure about this. So let me know if you know what this is. Doesn't seem like it comes with any manual in here. So probably just one of these in here. But I think we'll get some content with the GoPro coming up instead of using my Samsung phone. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and we'll get some nice content coming out this GoPro. Have a good one guys.